tacos?
これからご利用になられますので、すぐこちらの紙レジの方にお持ちください。
はい、ありがとうございます。Oh, that's good spicy. That's so good. That's really good. So that was Kare out to the east of Tokyo. I think there's not so many curry ramen places around these days. And I'm here with Cody from RamenGuideJapan.com. And we just had a really interesting mix of curry and ramen. The curry itself I would describe as a mix somewhere in between Japanese curry and Indian curry. What was your impression?
Yeah, so we got like the special gente for the day, which comes with the katsu, which is like beef cutlet. And yeah, I thought it was pretty solid. I think the beef cutlet was really good. They used really fine, high quality beef. And but yeah, I thought the soup was a little bit lacking for me. I kind of wish that it had a little bit more punch. It had the right amount of spice, but I don't know, I didn't feel a lot of deep flavors.
Yeah, from my side, what I noticed is like the portion is really generous. Of course, you pay a little bit extra to get the beef cutlet, but I think we're in the way here for a second. Make some space here. All right. So the beef itself was pretty good, and also the curry itself I thought was quite enjoyable. But yeah, I agree. It's not the best curry I ever had, and I'll probably won't be back. But it was still, I would say, quite enjoyable. And if you're into that style of ramen, or you just like curry a lot and you have not a lot of time, you want to combine curry and ramen into one, that might be a good option if you're anyway in the east of Tokyo. Quick rating here.
I think that was like a solid six-ish.
A six-ish?
I definitely won't be back, but yeah, it was fine for what it was.
All right. I think I would still give it a 7. Not the best curry ramen I ever had or the best curry ever, but I had a good time, especially with the beef on top. Although be aware that they only do 10 of those per day. So you have to be lucky to get one of those, or you just come a little bit earlier, which is also one of the options to go for. I think that's all to say about Kare Tomen. Yeah, if you want to read a couple of ramen reviews, check out ramenguidejapan.com. He puts up ramen reviews regularly about all the ramen shops all around Tokyo and Japan. And for me, if you like my videos, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.